If visibility is becoming an issue on your 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler, a new front wiper assembly may be in order. This is a direct replacement for your aging or broken front windshield wiper motor assembly, and it's going to install easily and cost you a heck of a lot less than getting one from your Jeep dealer. Whether any of us want to admit it or not, JKs are getting up there in age now. And with age, sometimes you encounter an issue that you would not have thought of otherwise. Take, for example, your windshield wiper motor assembly. This has multiple joints in it, and like your suspension, these joints can wear out over time. So if your wipers are slow or they're not cleaning the windshield properly, even with new blades, a new motor assembly might just be the fix. Instead of just swapping out the electric motor itself, this is obviously a brand new setup. New joints, new linkage, new motor too. It's all designed to be a direct replacement for your factory unit, so installation is a breeze and everything is going to work exactly as it was supposed to the day your Jeep rolled off the assembly line. Just like your factory setup, this is made using a combination of metal and plastic. The arms are metal, the joints are plastic, and you've even got bushings and sleeves in here where you need it, just like the ones that came off of your JK originally. This plugs right in so you're ready to go and get this swapped over. You are going to need to swap over your blades and wiper arms though, but it's still going to be quite a bit of cost savings even doing it that way. Speaking of which, pricing for this one comes in at about $200. Now that's a heck of a lot less than buying the equivalent part from your Jeep dealer. Believe me, I checked for you. In fact, just the motor alone from Mopar is about the same price, and this is going to give you the whole assembly. And since you're getting effectively the same exact part you could from your Jeep dealer, this is a pretty darn good deal because it's going to save you about half. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you about 45 minutes to complete. Like we discussed, this is a total bolt-in replacement. It's going to swap right in place of your factory assembly, no modifications or wiring or anything like that required. You may want to have a puller tool handy to remove your windshield wiper arms, but otherwise nothing special is needed. You're just going to have to remove your cowl. And if you've replaced any parts on your JK before, you're going to have a pretty easy time tackling this. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the front wiper motor assembly fitting all 2007 to 2018 JK Wranglers. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, for all things Jeep, be sure to keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.